Hello, friends and followers. Well, here is the Tec Omni 6 going back together. In the last video, I showed you the AF amp, audio frequency amp, which was installed on the IF board. Apparently, that was the only problem with this radio, really, when I bought it off of eBay. And I couldn't make the radio work when I first got it. I really didn't know what to do with it. I had found that when the reg voltage, REG voltage, which is really around 9.5 volts, they list it as 8 volts or so. It's really around 9.5. So the voltage, this board here, the driver board, will produce the reg voltage, and it uses this pass transistor right here, right about there. So what I had noticed was that if I lowered the voltage into the whole radio, the radio started to work. And so I figured maybe this reg voltage was off, and I had put a voltage regulator into there that made it work for a while. It didn't transmit decently. So anyway, the audio was bad from the IF board the whole time, but this chip and the phone won't focus on it. There it goes, this little regulator. I think it's a 7508. Yeah, 7808. Okay. So this little guy puts out 8 volts, and I had this doing the regulation in lieu of this pass transistor. This is a PNP, and it uses a specialized voltage regulator chip on this board to make about 9.5 volts for the REG voltage. So I just popped this transistor back in here. I'm lucky I found it because it's been months this thing's been apart, and that transistor's been bouncing around the room here. So I finally found it and put it back in tonight, and that cured my transmit problem. So I figured the transmitter is relying on reg voltage for reference and what I found was I couldn't really regulate the transmit power with the knob here, and now that that has been corrected, it's working a lot better. So small demo here. Let's see. Go off frequency here where nobody is. There's nobody there. And I can go to tune mode now, take the power down, tune mode. And now we're in tune mode, and I can jiggle the power up here. No, I can't. I got no power. Well, that's no fun. I had power. CW, tune mode, unless my antenna's off or something. Well, here you think something's fixed, and it's not fixed. The thing was working really well. Welcome to ham radio, welcome to amateur radio, welcome to my life. That's really, really a shame. So yeah, I'm not having much luck. That's 40 meters. Let's see, let's try 80 meters here. Tune mode. Okay, I'm getting power there. So, and you can see I can control it with the knob here. So that's what I wanted. That's what didn't work. I'm not getting much out in 80 because the antenna's not tuned there, but 40 was working for power. There's 40 again. Okay, let's try and transmit tune. And no, oh, yeah, now we got power. Weird. All right, looks like it's folding back too. Anyway, there's the power in 40 meters, so I can now control it with the knob, which is what I wanted. So looks like we got power. Guess I could try into a dummy load, but the good news is I can control it with a knob now, which is what I wanted to do. So, yep, good radio. Let's see, that's 40 meters. You can tell I don't know the radio that well. Haven't been able to use it. Okay, this band here, 30 meters, do a power test. There we go. Yep, wow, I can get some power on that band. That band works well. Next one, there's 20. Let's give this one a shot. and up it. I can do about 100 watts there. So happy days. Let's see. Okay, here's one of my favorite bands. Let's try this one. I know I have good SWR in this band. Okay, we got power. Only about 50 watts out, but there's power. All right. Next band. Oh, too far. There we go. Let's try this one. Tune. And nothing there. So these two are dead, I think. Yeah, I think 10's dead. So probably have problems in the back end here, the back end board that has all the coils on it, the filter board. And I'm sure this one's dead too. So yeah, I gotta fix 10 meters in this thing. Maybe I shouldn't put it back together yet, huh? Don't be too overjoyed. Yeah, so I can't get power on this band either. So probably the board's bad. Has a bad relay, bad coil, bad something on it. What does that leave? 160. It does 160. Okay, I don't think this works either. Let's see, tune mode. No power there either. So yeah, 160 and 10 are out. Anyway, that's my tour of the rig. Pretty happy with it. Happy as peach. Can I get any broadcast down here? Probably. Wow. I never hear anything on 160. Somebody on there. Anyway, there's 80 right there. I think on this one I can do entering a frequency. I can do, like, say enter 39, enter. Yeah, that works. I think that's excellent audio now. Of course, I'm on, let's see, let's go to wide. There's no filter in 1.8. There's a resistor in here. That's wide.
You remember him? Yeah. Okay. Oh, he had a good voice, didn't he? He did. Oh, boy. He had a good voice. There's George. W6YEC.
Anyway. That's nice radio. Let's see if 20 will work. There's 20. Probably, that's not dead. What do you know? It's got some FT8. Nobody talking. Pretty busy.
And I can work you once per band if you've got 20 meters. I can work you again on 7195 with another radio.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. And anything on here? Well, there was something on there. Oh, I guess not. And I can transmit here, right? Let's see. Full power. Hit it. That's a little bit. I can always pump it to linear and get some power out. All right, well, thanks for watching. I'm really happy with this radio. I put in this little speaker too, about $10 from Amazon, 3-inch speaker. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.